stabs the puck free. Pastrnak scores. Bergeron, a brilliant cross ice.
Cutting in on goal, he shoots, he scores! Monahan fed one out to score. Calgary.
Broken up by Timo Meier, far side. Hamilton scores! Dougie Hamilton with a rising slap.
The zone tees it up, fires, he scores! Right through Carter Hutton into the middle.
On the rush by the Evs, another opportunity, here score! Gabriel Landeskog, wide of the net into the slot. Hartnell, a shot and a goal. Power play goal, Boone Jenner.
To Foxa, his shot, he scores!
Made by Enroth, puck loose, stab that scores! Green gets his first.
Up top, shot by Hendricks, he scores! Derek Roy gets his first assist.
Now you see Jokinen go front, they score! Set up very beautifully. It's a power play goal.
Trying to create a chance. Poland centers. Got through the score! It was tipped out front.
In this game, back in the first period, he broke down the middle. He comes in there at the side, takes the rebound, and scores!
Fires it out, rebound, scores! James Neal!
Gomez can pass it, played in front, they score! Picture perfect, Patrick Elliott.
That decision, and from the angle they score! John Tavares as Talman left the net right from the corner, and he Zibanejad, he scores! What a beauty!
And stopped again, they score! It goes wide, side of that, Giroux back in, they score! Claude Giroux puts the Flyers on. Woodford yet to get a shot on goal until right there. With 8:40,
San Jose, he's got it and scores! A short-handed goal for him. Tarasenko with it, in front, they score! Ryan O'Reilly!
Drouin with him, coming late. It's been across, they score! Back by Fraze. Phaneuf works it over, puck comes in front, scores! Komarov!
The stick. They scored! Louis Eriksson!
It up for Gerard, lost it. Carlson back from Martinez. Feeds it across. Carlson scores.
Backdoor look, Ovechkin rips, he scores! In a flash!
Breaks, finds Bufflin, backhander,